everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. I'm so excited to be back live. It has been a while since I've been able to be live, and honestly, it's just for me today. I just wanted to get on here and make something. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes I just need a stress reliever. I just need something to just kind of calm my soul, and crafting and painting does that for me. So I thought, I'm going into my office, I'm going to shut the door and lock it, and I am going to make something. That's just what I'm going to do. But anyway, I hope you are doing good. I hope that you are hanging in there. I hope that you're choosing joy, which is what my shirt's all about. I've talked about that in my live the other day, and somebody said, I wish you'd get a shirt that said that. Little did you know I already had one coming. So what we're doing today is this. I am making a Kentucky sign. So this is a Kentucky wood cutout. This is the shape of Kentucky for those of you who are not familiar. And I'm going to paint it. I'm going to add some polka dots. I'm going to add a cute bow, Re-Fabbed bow, of course. So I'm going to paint it, add some polka dots, add a bow, and it is going to go on my gallery wall, okay? I've got a little gallery wall. You're going to be able to see my office really soon. Y'all know I love gallery walls, and I'm not a minimalist when it comes to decorating. So I'm going to put this up in my gallery wall. I see the perfect spot right over there for it. I can't wait to put it on there. So I got this from a local man, this wood cutout. I always order stuff from him, and he just kind of hooks me up. I mean, I pay for it. When I say hook me up, he don't just give it to me free. But I always order from him. He's just got so many things. And I used to have an Etsy shop. For those of you who did not know that, I do not have one anymore. Don't be looking for it. You can go find it. But I used to have an Etsy shop. And I used to sell wood cutouts that I had painted. Well, the other day, I was out in the shop looking through all of my stuff. And I came across tons of wood cutouts that I still had that I had never done anything with. And I'm like, I've got to do something with these wood cutouts. Some of them are probably going to be giveaways, but this one's not. This one's going on my wall. So we're about to paint this. Let me show you what colors I'm using. Y'all, how pretty are these colors? This right here, this is like a, well, I'll tell you what it's called. Pastel Mint. Pastel Mint. It's craft paint from Hobby Lobby. Back when Hobby Lobby was open. And then we got honeysuckle pink apple barrel, and we have English navy apple barrel. So we're going to use those three colors. I'm going to paint the Kentucky sign with the, let's see what will look best up there. Probably this pink. I'm going to paint the Kentucky sign in my honeysuckle pink. I love this pink, y'all. Oh, I can't even. I love this pink. So we're just going to glide this bad boy on. Look how pretty this pink is. This is going to look so good in my office because y'all know I got some bright colors in my office. And I've got a hot pink desk chair. It is hot pink, so it really matches this. It's going to be so pretty. So if you're not familiar with Kentucky, I live way over here in this corner. That's where I live, the far western part of the state. So we'll put a little heart down there too. I'm going to use navy to put that heart. And I'm going to do my polka dots in the mint. And then we'll put our bow on there too. It's going to be so dang cute, seriously. So how are y'all making it? Is everybody making it okay? Is everybody hanging in there? I am thinking of everybody, praying for everybody. I know we all are very ready to get our lives back to normal, but it won't be long. This is just a season, and we got to hang in there together, and it's just one of those things we have no control over, but I hope you are doing good, and that, like, you can come craft with me and just be like, whatever. Just don't even worry about what's going on in the world right now. I mean, we got to pray for it and be there for everybody, but we can just craft and have fun and not even worry about it for a little while. What do y'all think? Now listen, I'll tell y'all this while I'm painting this Kentucky pink. I love being home. I just do. That's the honest truth. I love being home, which is so odd because my other passion besides decorating and doing stuff like this is travel, but I love being home. Does that make sense? Being home, it has not bothered me at all to be home. I think it's just the fact of knowing I can't go anywhere even if I wanted to. I saw some meme going around Facebook that said, I can't even remember what it said, I'll probably butcher it, but something about, I'm a homebody, but dang it, there was 1 or 2 places I liked to go, and I'm like, that's me. And I'm like, and then I have a lot of plans this summer, and I just, I'm like everybody else. I'm like, oh gosh. But hey, we can keep crafting, decorating, cleaning our house, doing all the things, and just doing our best to get through. Keep praying for all the workers that are out in it, and just keep doing the best we can. That's absolutely all any of us can do. But definitely let's all be praying for each other for sure. Everybody in this community of friends here on Re-Fabbed, we need to be praying for each other each and every day. Is this not the prettiest pink Kentucky you've ever seen? So let me show y'all how pretty it looks. How pretty is this? I love the state of Kentucky. I love Kentucky. I'm a Kentucky girl through and through, but I love our state. I just love the way it looks. You get a state like Colorado, and I love y'all in Colorado, but it's a square, and it's like, you can't make cute stuff. I mean, it just doesn't really look the same. You know what I'm saying? I had a paint party one time for a whole bunch of people in Colorado a couple years ago, and we were painting state signs. Well, they were just square. And, I mean, that's their home state, and they were like, it's just kind of boring. It still turned out really cute, but definitely I like having a state with some character. So we joked about that quite a bit and how their state was so plain. Okay, so we got the pink. I didn't even bring anything to wipe my brush off. To put my, there went my earring. Lord, this is just a hot mess express up here. So this is partially dry. I'm going to use that really loosely. A lot of times you'll see me make my own polka dots. I'll just take a paintbrush, and I like to do it because I love that whimsy look. But today, I don't even know why. Today I decided to use a spouncer because I guess I just want my polka dots to look a little more refined. So I'm going to make my polka dots the pastel mint that I showed y'all earlier. That's what my polka dots are going to be. So let's make our polka dots. There's no rhyme or reason. We just kind of want them all spread out. I got plenty of paint on my spouncer, and I'm letting some of them come off the sides. Now listen, this looks white. You're really not even going to hardly tell that it is mint, but it is. So I'm just kind of going around here, putting them all over the place. We're going to put our big bow on it at the end, so it's going to cover some of it up. And I'm going to go put my little heart. I'm going to draw my heart at the very end for where I live. Okay, so this is cute. See how easy that was? Like, that's so easy. Okay, how cute. Cute, 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 y'all. So I'm going to set it to the side for just a minute, let it dry a little bit more before I add my mate. I need to get up for 1 second to get my paintbrush, if I can get out without making a big mess. I got to get my little paintbrush. I actually got a new set of paintbrushes. Oh, if I can get back in here. What's so funny, I got a new set of paintbrushes, but really all they are is from my shop. I found them, so they're new, but I've had them. So I'm going to use one of these new ones today. I just want a very small one. So I'm just going to use this tiny one. Put them down here and get them in a minute. I'll go ahead and make my heart. Okay, so I told y'all, I'm going to end up getting some on my new pretty shirt. I told y'all I'm in the far eastern part of Kentucky. So I'm going to take this navy blue. I'm just going to draw a little heart down here. It don't have to be exact. I'm not that good at painting freehand painting, if that's what you call it. I can paint, but well, anyway, I'm not that good at making a little heart. But it'll be fine. I always tell y'all, don't matter if you're perfect, because nothing I do is, that's for sure. Let's make this navy. I had to put a second coat because that brighten it up a little bit. So here's I'll just keep showing y'all the process. Y'all see my little navy heart down here? How cute is that? Okay. Getting it all over my hands. Somebody asked me what happened to my fingers, because I got 2 dinosaur, whatever these things are called, Band-Aids on it. Well, this is what happened. I was cooking supper on Easter Sunday, and the paring knife got the best of me, basically, in a nutshell. I made a really good Easter dinner. Y'all tell me the western part of Kentucky, Claudia. Far west. Y'all tell me what y'all had for Easter dinner. It was just me, my husband, and my kids. But I made cream of mushroom chicken, corn pudding, green beans, rolls, twice baked potatoes. Seems like I made something else. I don't know, that's enough. I may have made something else. I can't remember. I think that might be all. So I was going to town. Oh, and for dessert, I made apple dumplings. So, like, I was feeling up here. Like, seriously. I was feeling up here. I was feeling like, yeah, I'm really, I'm killing it for my family tonight. And in the meantime, I'm like, chop, 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 chop. Slit on these, and then I burnt my thumb, and I got a big old burn mark, and I did something on one of my other fingers too, but it wasn't that bad, so I didn't put a Band-Aid. But I'm like, holy cow, this is why I shouldn't cook so much. Okay, so we're gonna make our bow now. So I'm gonna take my 2 pieces of burlap and crisscross them like I always do. Then I have this super cute ribbon, and I'm gonna crisscross it. We're gonna cut this down a little bit because I think it's gonna be huge. We might not. But I think probably will. Let's see what we can do next. And then I've got this polka dot little skinny ribbon. I'm gonna crisscross it. All you do is keep crisscrossing your ribbon, literally. Then I've got this white lace. How cute is that? Crisscross it. And last, but certainly not least, is a really pretty little pink. So we're gonna crisscross it. Then, if you've never made a Re-Fabbed bow, easiest bow you're ever gonna make. You crisscross everything. Then you take a skinny piece of ribbon, lay it across the top like that, flip it over, and tie it in the back as tight as you can so where it all pulls together. Okay, so I'm trying to fix my bow because I just want to make it look right. It's too big. It's really cute, but it's too big. So, I'm just going to trim it up just a hair. Just a hair. Okay? So I'm just trimming it up over here on the sides. I knew it was going to be too big, but I'd rather trim it down at the end than make it too small at the beginning. So I just kind of trim it up here and there. With my new scissors. I love these. These are awesome. Okay. These burlap pieces, they were pre-cut by me. I'm the one that pre-cut them. I didn't buy them that way. I pre-cut a bunch for a craft box and had some left over. And so I just kind of try to use them on bows. And they're long. Because I always like to send too much just in case. Okay. So here's our bow. Now, you've seen the state sign, the Kentucky state sign. And I think we're just going to put the bow right over here right up here in the corner. I'm just going to hot glue it on. Sometimes I go ahead and staple it on, but hot glue works just fine for what I'm going to be using it for. So I just put plenty of hot glue on the back of this bow. I need another glue stick, of course. Why would I have glue in my glue gun? Why? Why would I? Who knows? Never prepared, but I'm kind of prepared. I had it sitting right there. This stuff's hot. This thing's making cracking noises. I'm not even joking. This little thing does damage. Okay. And I'm just gonna put, yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna lay that bad boy down. This is gonna look so cute, I think. I hope so. I think it will though. Why is this doing that? Okay. So how cute is my son? Let me see, wrong way. I try to do it where y'all can see the words and see the words on the shirt. And I'm just, so the back is like this. It's plain. So all I'm gonna do is like take a sawtooth hanger and put some hot glue on it because this is very light, so I could totally do that. Just put a sawtooth hanger or something and then just hang it up on my gallery wall. I can't wait to show you on my little gallery wall because it's cute. And then this matches my chair. So this hot pink matches my chair in my office, which I'm sure you've seen on some of my lives that I've done, like devotions. I'll sit in my chair in my office. Thank y'all for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Re-Fabbed. One more look at our project and I will hop off here. Here we go. How cute is this? Okay, so thank y'all for being here. I'm gonna try to get around my little table here because I'm kind of wedged in there. Y'all have an awesome Tuesday. Bye, guys.